Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, power and link lights, and whether the AP uses PoE or an AC adapter. Once done, collect model info, admin credentials, and firmware numbers so you can match fixes to hardware. Start a basic ping from your laptop to the management IP. If you cannot reach it, check the cable and switch port. Also, make sure to remove extra client traffic by isolating the AP. This reduces noise while you perform configuration checks and log pulls. Now you log into the AP via the web GUI or SSH and export the running configuration. This gives a rollback point. Then inspect SSIDs, radio settings including channel and width and transmission power. Improper channels or high power cause congestion. Update or reapply the correct DHCP, VLAN, and authentication settings so clients can roam and obtain addresses. If firmware is outdated, plan an upgrade during a maintenance window. Firmware can resolve stability bugs, but read the release notes first. Finish by rebooting the AP and validating with real client connections and throughput tests. Measure both upload and download and check roaming behavior. If issues persist, try a controlled factory reset, then reapply the saved configuration rather than manual guesswork. Hardware swap can quickly isolate faulty radios or power issues. One key troubleshooting tip: when connectivity is intermittent, use a spectrum analyzer or channel scan and client logs to look for interference. Often the problem is radio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.